guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back for some unbaggings. So, what shall we get into first? We'll put this off to the side because this will take more time, but I promise you, it's a goodie. All right. So, what did I get here? I'll give you two guesses. The first one, it's a Coverminder. The second one, oh snap, you might have gotten it. Handle with care, I'm fragile. It's fragile rice. So, you know me and my obsession with Jenny's Etsy shop, oh snap, Crafters Cafe. I just can't get enough of her, right? So let's get into this bad boy and see what I ordered, because at this point I don't even think I even know what I ordered. Ooh, gotta be careful. I might be slicing and dicing stuff in here, right? Pull this down, close her up. Alrighty, so Jenny always sends you a nice little bag of goodies. Wow. Okay, so what did she send in this little goodie bag, right? She sent some, we got a fox sticker, riding on a surfboard, enjoying the nice Floridian heat, right? Ooh, coffee candy. This looks good. Ooh, the original coffee candy. Fusion Gourmet. Ooh, she's getting fancy up in here with like gourmet coffee candy. You go, Jenny. All right, I'll put that off to the side. So what did I get? I don't think I got any Coverminders or anything like that. I lied. I did. My bad. Shut my pie hole. Comes to us from Oh Snap Crafters Cafe, scented minders and notions. It's got her Etsy store, Oh Snap Crafters Cafe, her Instagram, and you can go follow her on YouTube. She is the Uncrafty Crafter. Thanks. Love, Jenny. She's so sweet. All right, so the first thing I got when I saw this, it's a little snap. It's the little heart with an arrow. Let's see if I can find a face here. I do have a face. Let me just get it. So we have our starfish base that she also sells. That's a Coverminder. But with the snap, you just snap her on in there, right? Alrighty, so that is that. And just to take it off, you just pop it off, right? Okay, put that there. Then, she also, for your scented Coverminders, do I have a scented Coverminder? Somewhere. She has this. You can get your own to refill on the scents, and she got some tipsy eggnog. You know your girl was there for it. I got two because I love me some eggnog. Let me see if I can see what this smells like. Oh my gosh, guys, can you smell that? Do you smell it? It smells delicious. My mouth is like watering over here. I'm glad I got two because whoo, I love me some eggnog. I drink so much of it, it does not always agree with me though, right? So, all right, let's put this away and get into our next unbagging, shall we? All right. I love Jenny's little bag. She always makes it like so cute. She's so adorable. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we'll put that off to the side here. And this diamond painting comes to us from Amazon. So, I did already open it. I have all my Amazon packages sent to my work because I didn't trust where I used to live, and I don't know, I just have it sent to work. And I had ordered other stuff and it was in here, so yeah. And I figured since it was there, I might as well, because it doesn't come with a legend. So what I do when a painting doesn't come with a legend is I will just photocopy the legend. That way I can run it through my Xyron sticker. This painting has 22 colors, right? 22. So it comes with your pink pen, a two-placer, you have your blue squishy, some wax for your diamond painting, some baggies, and a green tray. Oh, yeah. But what did I get? Here are our drills. It says, "We are the granddaughters of the witches you couldn't burn." So I always try to think ahead, and if I don't do this beforehand, I might do this for drills and chills next year for 2022. Like I said, I like to think ahead, try to plan ahead, so that way I'm prepared, right? But it does have, it is a 30 by 40. It is a round. It has your thumbnail here at the top. Not that you can really make it out. You have your legend here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I like how it goes in order there. Then A, it skips B because you have 8, so you don't confuse it. Skip C, D, H, J, K, L, X, P, B. Yeah, so it doesn't look like there's any symbols on here that will get you confused, caught up. The symbol clarity, if my camera will focus, looks pretty dang good, right? Is that 4? What in the good Lord? 4, J, JJ. Where am I seeing that at? Maybe it's a J and it's just cut off. No, I don't see it, right? I swore I thought I saw a 4 in there. I'm losing it, guys. But when I saw this, I thought it was awesome. We are the granddaughters of the witches you couldn't burn. It comes with 2 packs of drills. You got some reds, some blacks, some peaches, some blues, some like purples, some more blues, some black. I guarantee you that's 310. Got some greens, some like, I don't know, sandy color. Got some more blacks, some reds, some browns, some more browns, some blues, and some grays. But if you like this diamond painting, I will make sure to have everything linked down in the description box down below for you to go check out Jenny over on Etsy at Oh Snap Crafters Cafe and get your hands on this diamond painting over on Amazon. If you're new to the channel and you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!